two plants are united together and becoming one plant. That is the main thing in the grafting. In air layering, one plant becoming into two plants. That is the thing. So now,
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you just repeat the word air layering?
yeah,
LAY.
Can you just write it? Yeah. Okay, air layering. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
sir,
Thank you,
yeah.
ma'am.
So now we are doing the another grafting here. This is the same branch of this plant. Here this entire area is empty. It doesn't have any branches at all. So we want to have more branches. Usually this type of grafting will do it enarching. This is called as enarching. Usually we will do it on the bonsai plants where the empty area is there. If you want more branches here, so we'll put another branch here and slowly this plant this branch unites with the main trunk line and becomes the one of the branch of this trunk. So we can do with this now down portion. There is a branch over there, it is coming from the down. So we are enarching this one with the main trunk line. Otherwise we can do one more thing also. One ficus plant is there. We can do one more thing. We can do mix this one here also. Here we don't have any branches now. This is very small. If you want more branches here, this branch we can put it here. We can graft it here like this also. How to do that one? First I will show you on this plant. So like this two plant, this now they will become one plant. This branch will unite here and it becomes a one plant. So like that we can, this is called as enarching. Most of the bonsai people, they will do this type of enarching.
But they are different plants. No?
These are different plants. Then first, where we want to do grafting, we have to mark that place. First we have to mark it here. Now it is coming here or here. So you have to mark it here. Can you see it? There is a mark. So on the branch also we made a mark over here. Now slowly you have to remove the bark. Can you see it?
Yep.
Now ऊपर का लेयर निकाल दिया. Now this is the endoderm. We are removing the endoderm now. This white portion is the cambium.
Hard one.
Yeah. This ficus, for the ficus plants, the cambium will be very hard vascular tissue. scissors and everything. Sorry. This side. It is very easy to remove on the younger branches, so the tissue is very soft over here.
Be very careful.
We have to be, as William said, we have to be careful. We should not hurt the branch. Now ready-made grafting tools are available on market. If you want, we can buy them. With one cut we can make a neat graft over there. Can you see now? This is the, yeah. Then branch के ऊपर भी है देखो. We'll show it on the branch. This is on the branch. Now again installation tape and glue. दोनों they should be united to be together. Hold it tightly. This one. Tight पूरी करो. Then there should not be any air gap between these two branches. Like this. Now we have to seal this area and